What if I told you that your tomatoes could taste twice as good, grow twice as fast, and fend off pests without a single chemical spray? Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the crazy part. It's not some secret fertilizer or high-tech gadget. It's something most gardeners overlook entirely. What if the real secret to mouth-watering tomatoes is actually hiding in your spice rack? Now let me ask you, have you ever wondered why Italian grandmothers swear by planting basil next to their tomatoes? Or why some gardeners insist certain herbs can literally make your tomatoes sweeter, juicier, and practically bulletproof against bugs? But here's the kicker. If basil works, what other herbs could be leveling up your tomatoes without you even knowing? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never look at a tomato plant or your herb garden the same way again. Have you ever wondered why tomatoes and basil show up together on every Italian dish from pizza to pasta? Is it just tradition, or is there something much deeper going on between these two plants? Well, the answer might just blow your mind. It turns out basil doesn't just pair with tomatoes on your plate, it actually helps tomatoes in the garden too. But how? Here's the deal. Basil is like a personal security guard and flavor enhancer for your tomatoes. It gives off natural oils, particularly one called eugenol, which confuses pests like aphids, whiteflies, and even those pesky hornworms. It's like basil is whispering, "Hey bugs, you're not welcome here." But here's where it gets even crazier. Gardeners and researchers alike have noticed that when basil and tomatoes are grown side by side, the tomatoes actually taste better. Why? Some say it's because the aromatic compounds basil releases affect the volatile compounds in tomatoes. Others think it's simply the way they share soil and space in harmony. Want to make the most of this? Plant your basil about 12 inches from the base of your tomato plants. Don't overcrowd them. And here's a quick tip. Keep pinching off basil flowers. Why? Because once basil starts flowering, the leaves can turn bitter, and you want that sweet, aromatic punch in every bite. Now, if basil is that powerful, what other herbs are secretly helping your tomatoes? Let's talk about parsley. You know that little green garnish often left untouched on your plate? Turns out, parsley's not just for decoration, it's an unsung hero in your tomato garden. Ever heard of hoverflies? These tiny, fast-flying insects are attracted to parsley flowers. Why does that matter? Because their larvae eat aphids, yes, those same sap-sucking pests that love feasting on tomatoes. So, parsley is like a hoverfly magnet, which in turn keeps your tomato plants safe and healthy. And here's another bonus. Parsley has deep tap roots that gently loosen compacted soil. So not only does it protect your tomatoes, it improves the soil structure too. Plant it nearby, but don't worry, it won't compete with your tomatoes for space. Plus, when it's harvest time, you've got fresh parsley to sprinkle over your pasta or salads. Win-win, right? But hold on, what if you're not just battling pests but also those annoying mosquitoes buzzing around your garden? That's where lemongrass steps in. Lemongrass emits citronella, the very same scent used in mosquito repellents. But did you know it also drives away soft-bodied pests like aphids and whiteflies? Imagine working in your garden, tending your tomatoes and not getting bitten by mosquitoes every 2 seconds. Sounds like paradise, right? Plant lemongrass a little further out from your tomato patch, giving it room to grow tall without shading your tomatoes. They still need their full sun fix. And bonus, fresh lemongrass is perfect for making tea or adding a citrusy kick to your cooking. Now what if I told you there's an herb that helps keep fungal diseases at bay and attracts pollinators at the same time? Say hello to chives. Chives might look dainty, but they're powerful. They are rich in sulfur compounds, and guess what? That scent naturally repels aphids, mites, and even helps ward off fungal diseases like powdery mildew. And when chives bloom, they sprout gorgeous purple flowers that bees can't resist. More bees mean better pollination for your tomatoes, leading to more fruit. Plant chives along the edges of your tomato bed, and you'll create a fragrant, pest-repelling border. Oh, and when you're cooking, snip some fresh chives to toss on potatoes, eggs, or soups. Another kitchen win. But wait, what if you're looking to boost soil health in a big way naturally without fertilizers? Let me introduce you to borage. You've probably seen its striking star-shaped blue flowers before, but did you know this plant is like a multitasking machine? First off, borage's deep roots pull up minerals from way down in the soil and make them available to neighboring plants, including tomatoes. Think of it as a natural fertilizer spreading goodness to everything around it. Second, borage attracts pollinators like crazy. Bees absolutely love those blue flowers, and more bees mean more tomatoes. Plant barrage slightly further out from your tomato plants to give them space. And here's a fun fact, you can even eat barrage leaves and flowers. The flowers taste faintly like cucumber and make a beautiful addition to summer salads or drinks, but what about disease prevention? Can herbs really reduce plant diseases? That's where cilantro steps in. Surprisingly, cilantro is more than just taco topping material. It emits natural compounds with antifungal properties that can reduce fungal spore spread, especially in humid gardens, conditions tomatoes often struggle with. Cilantro is a quiet protector, building a little shield around your tomatoes. Plus, it's quick-growing and likes similar conditions. Plenty of sun, moist but not soggy soil. And of course, when harvest rolls around, you've got fresh cilantro ready for salsa, guacamole, or garnish. What about mint? You've probably heard mint can help repel pests. Should you plant it right next to your tomatoes? Absolutely yes. Mint repels ants, aphids, and flea beetles thanks to its strong menthol aroma. But there's a catch. Mint is invasive, its roots spread fast, and before you know it, it'll take over your tomato bed, choking out your precious plants. So what's the solution? Keep mint contained in pots near your tomatoes. That way you still get the pest-repelling benefits without the root invasion. And bonus, fresh mint tea or mojitos anytime. Now with all these herbs at your disposal, how do you arrange them for maximum tomato boosting power? How you can build an effective herb tomato layout? Here's a tried and true method. Basil should be planted closest, about 12 inches away from your tomatoes. Chives and parsley line the edges, forming a protective, pollinator-friendly border. Borage and lemongrass get a little breathing room. Plant them further out so they don't crowd the tomatoes but still share their benefits. Mint, always in pots, strategically placed nearby. Cilantro fills in any gaps or shadier spots since it tolerates partial shade. Simple, right? And the best part? You're creating a mini ecosystem where everything works together. Fewer pests, healthier soil, more bees, better tasting tomatoes, and more herbs for your kitchen. It's nature's version of teamwork. Did you know the practice of planting herbs and crops together, what we call companion planting, has been around for thousands of years? Ancient civilizations, from the Romans to the Native Americans, intuitively knew certain plants helped others thrive. Basil was even believed to drive away negative energies, while parsley symbolized rebirth and protection. Turns out they were onto something. Science today is finally catching up with what gardeners have known for generations. Plants talk to each other, support each other, and when you plant the right combos, magic happens. So, by now, you're probably seeing your tomato garden in a whole new light, aren't you? It's no longer just about planting a tomato and hoping it grows. No, now you've got basil standing guard, parsley attracting helpful insects, chives warding off fungus, and even borage feeding the soil like nature's own fertilizer. But let me ask you, how cool would it feel to look at your garden and know it's working together like a perfectly balanced team? No chemicals, no fancy tricks, just herbs, tomatoes, and a little planting wisdom passed down for centuries. Now, if you enjoyed learning how these herbs boost your tomato game, why stop here? There's a whole world of companion planting strategies waiting for you to explore. I've got a video all about Tomato Ally's top 10 companion plants for a thriving garden. And trust me, once you see how plants literally talk to each other, you'll never plant the same way again. So go check that video out right after this one. If you found value in today's video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and it lets me keep bringing you more tips to level up your garden naturally. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next video.